Hey, what's good, everybody? This is Eric from EE Studios. Uh, Welcome back again. We're going to be doing a new thing today. We are going to be looking at how to convert your chord progression on FL Studio to wave. It's advisable that if you're going to be using a lot of plugins, whether external or stock plugins, then you should start converting every of your progressions, your work to wave. I'm using Analog Lab and I'm using a piano over the piano pad. Metronome very essential. Metronomes are very essential. So let's go. And now we can just drag and drop this over here. Let's quantize. Control A, Control Q, put that everything there. What you can do is right click on this green light here. That highlights only this track to record. Go to our masters and go to first slot and then go to editing. Open up editing to record. Okay, editing will record anything that plays inside the door. So we have that. Then drag and drop inside the playlist. So spread it out, stretch it out a bit. Disable the grid. Take your cutter, cut. Remove that, pan it out there. Bring this out there, out here again, cut. And close it up. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is useless to us right now. Okay, it's out of the game. So we now have this. This can really save your work, the memory of your project. So so once you record on any plugin, you convert to wave. You can normalize, you can stretch, you can EQ it, can even stereo delay it a bit. Just watch. See? Now you can do things to it. When you get to the mixer, you can do a lot of things. A lot of things can be done there. So there it is. How to convert this to this. Converting this to this. These two things here. How to convert these two. It's interesting using editing to record. Okay, some people can do it directly without having to record. I will show you that in another video, how to actually just record directly from to editing and then use it. Okay, that's it, folks. Like, share, and follow for more tips. God bless you.